Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel again. Today we will grow our small amount to the big amount. So our target will be converting this amount to the 10x. So let's start it. So I have placed some trades here in upward direction in USD DJD because the reason was very simple. Here was our pattern was formed and I have used the trade. I have placed the trade after the MTG. That's why I placed trade. But as you can see, here was the fair value gap, and the previous candle had the very long wick, and it has pressure of buyers. That's why I have placed trade in upward direction, and this candle should be closed in green. Done. Win. Our trade is win, guys, with a profit of 1000 rupees. Now I will take one more trade in another currency pair. Let me analyze and draw the level. So I will place trade here in downward direction, as I said. So I have placed trade in downward direction because the reason was very simple. The pattern was formed here, which was the red green, and then the direction of the red candle, which is our SS show short pattern. And the second reason was that there was a huge pressure of the sellers from this point, and the previous candle had a very large wick and it didn't fulfill the major level, which was in the downward direction, and that's why I have placed trade in downward direction. So let's see. Done. Short, guys. Our trade is successfully win. So now I will do second step compounding in another currency pair. Yeah, I will place trade in this currency pair in USD IDR in downward direction. If I get perfect chance and the movement, yeah, I placed the trade in the downward direction because the reason was very simple. As you can see here, the market was forming the lower low, and the minor trend was in downward direction. The previous candles had the wicks on the both sides, so that's why it should be closed in the downward direction, or it should be closed as a red candle to complete the wicks. Done. Our second step compounding is also successfully done. Now I will do third step compounding with the amount of 3000 rupees. So I will try to analyze in another currency pairs. Yeah, I will place trade here in upward direction. The reason was very simple because, as you can see, here was our SS pattern was formed. That's why I have placed trade in the upward direction as an MTG, and there was pattern also. As you can see, every time our SS pattern was formed in this chart, and then it win after the MTG short. It was the MTG short. That's why I have placed trade in upward direction, and our third step compounding is also successfully done. So now we will do fourth step compounding, and it will be our last trade. Let me analyze. I will change the currency pair if I will not get any opportunity or movement. So I will change currency pair. Let me see in the NZD JPY. No, I will change it also, because yeah. So I will try to place trade here. No, not now. Let me analyze. So I will place trade here in the downward direction. I draw the levels, I draw the horizontal level, and then also analyze. Done. I have placed trade in downward direction with the safety, marginal safety. So the reason was very simple. In this chart, the candle was forming the lower low, and the the major trend was in the downward direction. Bearish trend was forming. That's why I have placed trade in the downward direction. And the previous candles had very large wicks, and the major level was the downward direction. The major horizontal level is far away from the given point. That's why I have placed it in the downward direction, and it should touch the major horizontal level. Then our four-step compounding is also done. So this was for today's video. In this video I have covered how to convert small amount to the big amount. Thank you for watching.